Okay, so what I need you to write down is that the standard equation of a circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. You saw that plenty of times in that activity that we just did. Okay. Now, HK is going to be the center of our circle. Okay, so yes, the x minus h, it's affecting it left and right. The y minus k is affecting it up and down. So specifically, it's going to tell us exactly where the center is. Okay, now something we're going to have to be a little bit careful with is that it's x minus h and y minus k. Right? And then our radius is r. Okay, if you can pick out the center and you know the radius, we can graph a circle. Okay, so there's three things that you need: the two x and y coordinates of the center and the radius. That's it. Okay, so let's first work on writing the equation. Okay, so go to the top of page 311. Okay, will you and your elbow partner just identify the center and the radius for number one? What's for lunch today? It smells good. Okay. You have your lunch cup.
Yeah, it's in the center.
All right. Brayden, where's our center? Presley, where's our how big's our radius? Okay, don't get fooled. They are counting by twos. Okay, so we know that this is h, this is k, this is r. So we can write x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. What are you doing? Not eating in here because that's not allowed. Right? Okay. Now, is this how I want it to look? Not really. Let's simplify it. X squared plus y squared equals 64. That's what I would want. I don't think I did. I don't know. I was just curious. All right. In number two, where's our center? We're not doing ballet. What about our radius? This one for real is 4, right? Okay. So when we write the equation of our circle, we are going to write x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. And since r is 4, I'm going to write r squared as 16. What would we be solving for? Nope. So the standard form is what I'm asking for. So I'm asking for it to look just like this. Okay.
Will we be able to solve it eventually?
No, because there's two variables.
So H is now just X and then K is now Y.
Well, it's the X and Y coordinates of the center.
X and Y coordinate like the value other than just the axes that are.
So if I plug a coordinate in for X and Y and it satisfies that equation, then it is somewhere on the circle. Okay.
Oh, so we could solve for.
Like if I said, hey, is this coordinate on the circle? If we plug it in and it makes sense, it makes 16 equals 16, then yeah, it is on the circle. Okay, so this circle is being created by all the points that satisfy this equation, X comma Y. Okay, it's kind of like, look around the room. What kind of equations do I have stuck to the walls of my room right now? Okay, so those are all lines. Y equals mx plus b. Okay, the y and the x, they're there. We know if we plug in a coordinate that's on the line, it'll work. All right, you and your elbow partner, take 1 minute to write the equation for number 4. All right, Alexa, tell me what you have.
Wait, wouldn't it be X plus 3 and Y plus 5? Because it's a negative and a negative.
Okay, so these should be plus because it's x minus -3 and y minus -5. And then Alexa, our radius is 8, correct? So is 8 in our equation or is 8 squared? Okay, so 8 squared. Okay, so I knew this one was gonna make us think a little bit because of those negatives. Okay. And just don't forget that that r is squared. Good Lord, there we go. All right, now let's what? Let's graph. Let's graph. All right, so look at number 8.
Stop.
Tell me what we know in number 8. Where's the center? Okay, somebody said -3, 2, and somebody said 3, -2. Who's right? X minus H, Y minus K. All right, what's our radius? What'd you say, Alexa? Our radius is 4. What do you suppose we should graph first? The center is probably going to be important. Okay, so if our center is at 1, 2, 3, -2, uh-oh. Our center's at 3, -2. All right, how am I gonna get this graphed here? How can I use my radius to help me? I like it. Let's go up 4 from the center. Let's go right 4 from the center, down 4 and left 4 from the center. And then we can make a circle.
Square.
Okay, I'm gonna cross this out. And I'm gonna write one down for you to graph. I want you to graph that one where number 10 is. Sam, where's our center? Nora, what's our radius? Is it real pretty, yes? Okay. Doing very nice. I'm feeling like maybe you can just turn to page 14 and maybe, just maybe, you can get it done in class. If you're okay.